Hello, what's up everyone? And finally we are now here back in another episode after for such a long time, no? So grabe, 1 year gid ang gap. More than 1 year gid gani actually ang gap niya bago ko siya na dugangan sang episode, no? So if you guys think na forget ko ninyo, ali na kami subong nagbabalik. And now for our comeback episode today, we have a very special guest, my newly friend. Nagiging mo, ano naman kita sa itong mga languages and everything. Anyway, so we are now, na kita nagbabalik, no, with a guest na naman and a very special friend of mine.
Wow.
Recently ko lang siya actually nakilala during the Duag season. And it's actually an unexpected nga friendship. Nasa ito na pagpatugan ng introduction, let's all welcome Missy Yamson.
Dimson! My God!
Yo, so again, take two.
Dimson!
Let's all welcome Missy Dimson!
Yay!
Hello, Missy!
Hello!
Hi, what's up?
Hello.
First of all, thank you so much for accepting my request or invite.
Ang arte.
Na-pressure ako gawa kay she's a director.
Wow!
The best director in town.
Guys,
Yeah, so muna, siya ako yung very newly friend. No? Very unexpected ang ating friendship. Do you still remember how we became friends?
Yes, actually. Though ikaw naguna sa kutsan. Hindi, kay nag-my day ko about Duag. And then, pero ako una add friends mo sa Facebook. Kay balaan ko nga ikaw ang actor sa CHTM.
Oh, yeah, oo.
Tapos, do nag-my day ko, do before some premiere, tapos yung message mo ko, do very long message.
Oh my gosh!
Tapos, ang imo haba, do remember ko get very excited ka sa Virgo season.
Which is I am.
Feeling ko masakitan naman ko. Oh my God!
Which I am again.
Tapos ang balya, very excited sa kuna sa premiere. Okay, fine.
Grabe!
Traidora! Pero oo, tapos nagdayon-dayon ang conversation.
Yeah, and then we became friends. Here we are now.
Unexpected.
Never ko ga-expect. Oh my gosh, the best director is here on my channel. Grabe, it's such a privilege. Okay, let's start up with our questions.
Okay,
are you ready na ba, Missy?
I am ready. Wow.
What are you feeling right now? Muna. What's going on with you? What are you feeling right now?
Right now?
Yes, no tomorrow.
Oh my God, guys.
Joke lang.
Mainit, pero if about there, no, very excited kay hambal mo kagabi, damo ka questions kay chismoso ikaw. So,
yeah, I am.
As yapper man kiss
yeah.
Yapper kiss
it's a perfect match.
Yeah, pero mas OA siya.
Yeah, super. Very OA.
Pero I'm excited to answer some questions from you.
Is it your first time to do some interviews like
this?
Yes. Oh, really?
Yes.
Such a privilege.
Oo, ikaw una naka-interview sa akin. Ang buot gani ngaman.
Baka napilitan lang siya, guys.
Hindi, wala ko balo ko man gig-invite ako actually.
Hindi kay I'm so happy with the film, and I really love the film. Now, so let's start now with today. Of course, no. First of all, I want to congratulate you with Virgo with winning some amazing awards.
Wow.
No, damo hakot awards, gid sila, guys, and very deserving it. Here we have our best director, so as ng Angel and Sir Leo, no. So grabe gid impact actually sang Virgo with the audience, and I really invite. Tapos naman gali ang doa. Pero yeah, the Virgo, oh my gosh, it gives me such I can explain ang feeling na nahatag niya sa akin, but it's for me it's one of the best entries nga na obra sa Duag, guys.
Wow,
yes.
Grabe gid yan.
So how are you feeling about winning those awards?
First of all, I'm very fulfilled, no. Kay before that, damo kami struggles, damo kami naagyan nga obstacles. Kay actually, to be honest, ang Virgo season second story na lang na.
Yeah.
Second story na lang siya, kay ang amon first story, sad to say, na gid ya, failed gid to ya kay due to schedules, conflict schedules, and siguro sa budget, kay wala man gid kami budget nga very very Very? Ang para sa amon. Anong very?
Strawberry.
Nga para sa amon. So, very thankful kami kay nung Leo. Kay siya gida very maaluhan. Very hands-on nga coach and advisor sa duag.
Yeah, and speaking of Sir Leo, grabe ang dedication niya nga ginaput, right?
Oo.
Like the efforts and stuff. Grabe nga, kumbaga, gisa committed gisa sa mga films.
Yes, kay passion gid siya ni Sir Leo behind his talents and skills sa film. Passion niya gid ang pag-obra sang story and ga-resonate sa iya ginaobra nga film.
Yeah. And I think that's what makes the film more successful.
Yes. It's the connection that we build to people gid ya. Ang Virgo season dabe wala gid. Pero may kanambal, even sa interview naman after naman pagdaog sa best director, wala gid kami nag-expect anything. And si Sir Leo ginangga panguna nga, guys, hindi na ta mag-expect kay whether we deny it or admit it, rush na ni nga story, ding na lang naman nga basta makapas may entry ang cast, pero during the duration of of the process ang writing namon nga duwa ni nung Leo, wala ko na batyagan nga very abrupt nga story kay hi grabe sa gin-pitch ni nung Leo ang muna nga story sa akon do una pa lang nako gusto ko na ni makita sang tao kay very gid siya, very open sa connection bala sang tao, hindi lang sa sa gay society but sa tanan nga
in general
in general
lesson nga makuha.
Kay the lesson behind the Virgo season is so impactful bala sa individual, especially sa mga may ginaagyan without telling the people or their friends. Muna nga feeling ko very successful ang Virgo season kay nakakonect gid siya sa tanan. I swear.
And I think among the characters,
among the
characters, I think mas nakarelate ko kay Raph.
Oo.
Yes.
I swear. Kung naman gani actually amon una pa lang si Raph gid ang center sang story, kay siya gid ang may ginapagdaanan, may inside struggles, may gid siya. I swear. Tapos yeah,
and the actor who played it, grabe.
Down bad.
Like grabe na gampan na natagaan niya gid justice ang character, which is napafeel niya gid sa audience ang gusto niyo ipa-feel.
Down bad.
Grabe ang impact niya.
Mabay ko gid our actors, very professional, very dedicated, very open to criticism and very open to learn. I swear, mo naguro nga nag-result gid sa successful nga process kay Christian, Shadi, Ramil, ng Angel, very professional.
Yes, especially ng Angel.
Yes,
like,
very.
Seeing her acting again, wow, grabe. Dito gid ko like, napaiyak talaga ako doon, grabe nga. Sakit sa, like, malamang sa pag-cry niya pa lang, wala pa siya may ginahambal nga line, pero ma-feel mo na yung emotions agad.
Well,
like, naiyak ka na agad, wala pa sa may deserve gid ya, grabe.
Best supporting
grabe,
actress.
Amo gid na deserve gid ng Angel. Congratulations ng Angel.
Yay.
Yes. So, how did you come up ba with the story? Like, paano siya naugaran ninyo ang story?
Okay. Actually, ang story gin-pitch sa sakon ni Sir Leo after na namon na decidean nga i-scrap na ang first namon nga film, which is horror thriller horror. Kay very complicated na gina. I-set aside na. Tapos gin-pitch sa sakon ni nung Leo, to be honest. Ko to medyo na-attach na gid ko bala sa isa namon ka film kay
ang first one.
Kay very very dako na nga effort and time ang nalaan dito, even money. So medyo na ko nga hindi ko siya bala pagbayan, pero do tanan naman nga reason to let go that film ara naman sa ko natubangan, so ging accept ko na lang. Tapos sang gin-pitch ni Sir Leo sa ako ng story nga himuan nga i-revise and himuan liwat sang new flavor. Tapos sabi ko to, okay, sige, ginbasa ko siya, ara ko sa akong room, sabi ko to, okay, very flop lang, very light lang. Tapos kaso istorya kami ni Sir Leo nga kung paano ini siya namon hatagan sang moral dilemma and more lessons and impact para makita sang tao. And then muna nagsulat kami, gasulat ko always with nung Leo by my side, no, kay iya story. And then, ideas lang yun, brainstorm
like ang mga scenes,
scenes kag flow sang story, ang batuhan sang lines, kami gid nga duwa ni Sir Leo mo na very thankful gid ko kay siya gid akon nga
partner
bone
mo gid saya like
backbone gid na siya sang Virgo season si Sir Leo. And that's it. Virgo season, wala na gid kayo mahambal. Actually,
the best kasi dami like
although during the judgment bala sa mga judges, daw mo man sila maging recommend sa amon, and we are always open for criticism in order for us to improve our film. I swear very open kami sa mga suggestions, sa mga criticism, so we can improve our film gid ya.
Yes, and it should be dapat gid man, no, kay syempre if magstay ka lang in your box, in your comfort zone, you won't be able to be mag-grow ka. Hindi ka mag-grow kaya. So, dapat maging open kita for criticism.
You won't be able to achieve things that contributes to your growth gidya.
Hindi ta siya pag i-take as a bad thing na ginahatag sa atin, like gina-judge tabi ko kunwari, or
bad
like
energy.
Let's take it as a lesson, kay sometimes ina sila may purpose, ina sila, and it's a key or it's a step for us to improve more. Siyempre, there's always room for improvement.
Yes, always.
Sa Virgo, wala ko galit nag-expect nga very nami na siya, no?
Ay,
like,
grabe!
para sa ako na, siya dabi, like, tupang cinema gid iya dating, from the cinematography, the lines, the ambience, lang hindi mo siya consider as a typical film sang school. Dupang cinema gid iya dating.
Actually, that's the main goal of Sir Leo nga naa-adapt namon nga permigid sa gahambal sa mon, permigid sa ga-ask during the editing process bala nga, guys, okay lang ni hindi ni pang school entry dumon. Kay una-una pa lang dabi ang goal gid namon nga tatlo muna nga dusa ni Persa bala. Kay ako, I'm into indie films, tapos si nang Angel iya inspiration sa cinematog, which is the Wong Kar-wai aesthetic. Tapos si Gab ang iya nga mga nanamian nga movie, which is Saltburn, ang isa pa ho, Euphoria. Damo-damo balas ang ideas, which is wala namon gineglektanan. We put it in one box, in one ideas that resulted in a very beautiful film.
Why did you go with this kind of concept?
This is very I believe it's not my story ganito tan, pero this story it came from Sir Leo gidya originally, and he always says nga iya gid ni own experience. He always says nga gusto niya mahatagan justice among nga story, kay he wrote this way back 2018. 2018, I don't know, I'm not sure, 2018 or 2017. And then, yung pakita niya sa akon ang draft, wala gid yun na-edit, ara gid yun sa dalom do June 2018 or 2017. I swear, and then, what was your question again?
Lost. How did you come? Hindi. How did you go? Why did you go with this kind of concept?
Okay. Gusto na ni siguro sa whole team ba lang i-dedicate, hindi lang sa tao, no? But of course sa amon selves, kay ta na nga each of us may ginapagdaanan gito. And feeling ko kung nalantaw sang people sang audience ang film, mabatyagan nila nga each of the characters, and behind the ang staff bala sa Virgo season, may ara kanya-kanya ginapagdaanan nga feeling ko naka-contribute gid sa story. Hindi lang siya hindi lang siya ang loud nga struggles nga, for example kay Ralph, ang iya si identity, siya gender, but it includes the inside struggles nga may ara gid kita ginapagdaan. Pero gid kita heaviness nga ginadala nga hindi naton masugid. Hindi gisa naton biskan sa aton self bala hindi naton ma-admit.
Yes. Through that gin-express nyo inyong mga unsaid nga feelings.
Yes.
It's a success. Grabe.
It's always the unsaid words.
Yes. No, may gadya.
Though, muna gani per me, kung ara kami sa shoot, ang ginahambal ko lang during shooting sa amon mga actors. Hindi kinanglan sang loud voices, hindi kinanglan sang singgitanay. Ang gusto lang namon is makita sa eyes ang emotion, mata sa mata bala, and I believe our actors ginhatagida nila sa amon.
Christian Paul.
His
eyes, my gosh, grabe.
Oo, I swear, I don't know kung spoiler na, pero ang sa pinaka last part bala, atong gakol siya.
Okay, yeah.
Atong gakol siya.
That's what one of my favorite scenes also siya.
Pinaka favorite kay fun fact, do 2 takes lang to.
Diba?
Do 2 takes lang to ang iyang angle, and then ang paglingat niya. Not to spoiler guys, pero ang paglingat niya and then nakita iya eyes. Wala na to anything nga instruction, ang hambalang emotion and ang eyes apakita lang gid and then go. Pag shoot naman okay na.
Which that proves he is a good actor again.
Yes, he is.
Grabe gid. Actually kung matanaw nyo ang Virgo, hindi niya sa makita as a normal citizen lang or what. Duma-feel nyo nga do artista gid iya nga dating. Like,
hopefully,
grabe.
Ano mas-scout amon actor.
Yes. Rooting for you, Christian Paul.
Yes.
I know, dako gid iya potential actually.
Yes.
Maano.
Even Chadi ng Angel.
Yes, both of them, all of them
all
actually.
Of them.
And you know, what's namin pag isin yung film is all characters, wala isang tapon.
Of course. Wow, palak. Pero yeah.
Which is a flex gid ya. Kaya di ba may ara gid mga certain films nga there's a character nga do wala siya gawa purpose in the film.
Yeah.
Pero most of your characters have purpose and wala gid tapon. Grabe gid ya, like tayaan nila justice ang characters nila and may purpose gid sila sa film and each one tells their story. Diba? Wala sa sang, okay, gimbutang lang siya for props or what. Pero may ara gid sa isang main purpose.
May ara struggle ang isa kag isa. And tani, hopefully, no, na-realize sa mga audience during the showing sang duag.
Yeah.
May ara gid ya may ara gid ya lesson, may ara gid ya may ara gid siya balasang purpose ang character sang kada isa nga nag-fulfill sa Virgo season.
Yes. Kung ikaw, Miss, kasi sino ka character mas nakalagay?
Oh no! I think it would be ng Angel kay not because nga siya ang girl sa film, but because nabatyagan ko iya nga pain as an eldest sister.
Nakakawaan ko na sila guys, I'm sorry. It's contagious.
Oo, contagious. Oo, siguro kay ng Angel, which is sinang Rain ni Raph sa film. Kay, ano man ko magulang man ko, and I felt deep pain. I felt the breakdown moment. Kay, actually, fun fact, kay sang ginashoot na muna, sang internalize si Christian Paul kag sinang Angel. Kay, very heavy na sa akon ang script. Kay ginabasa ko siya bala, and then, una ko ging approach si Dio, which is Christian Paul, and medyo nag-internalize kami nga duwa. Dito pa lang, medyo nabugatan ako, kay syempre mabugat ang eksena. And then naglakat sa akon si Christian Paul, and then nag-proceed ko sa camera. Duwa kami ni Sir Leo during that time ang take over sa cinematography kay sinang Angel may scene. And then during the shooting nga actual, very heavy to the point nga gahibi sinang Angel kag si Christian Paul, tapos ako din sa likod sa camera gahinibi. Oh my god. Pero muna ilan sa kun kay kada may heavy nga scene bala nga very nakarelate gid ko. Gahibi ko dayon, which is ka-unusual kay hindi ko cry baby bala. Hindi ko kabalo hindi ko magtagis. hindi ko kabalo maghibi nga biskan gusto ko na mag-breakdown. Wala gid may nagatulo sa akong luha. Pero surprisingly sa ara ko sa Virgo season nga era bala nga ga-shoot kami. Biskan gamay lang da nga revise ang script nga medyo masakit. Magtulok sa akong sinong Leo gahibi na ako. Tas ginapinatawaan ako nila nga hala gahibi naman siya yahu. Oh my god, amo ko to. Gid siya very eye-opener gid siya for me. muna ang hambal ko to, hindi lang gid sayo for people, for ourselves man sa nga
Yeah.
nag-work behind the film of Virgo season.
And I think that makes pag no nga naging successful ang film. Kaya hindi lang siya nga, inobra mo lang siya for the sake of the film, the sake of the entry.
Oo.
Ara, gidya dala ang heart.
Yeah.
Read your heart, gidya ni mo. Ginobra mo.
We've learned a lot during and before and during and after sang shooting namon sang Virgo season nga wala hands down gid ko sa akon team right now, even right now hands down gid ko sa ila kay despite of the hardships balangan na ano namon before namon naabot ang success.
Yeah.
They remained humble, they remained peaceful.
Kita-kita din grabe ang humbleness.
Yes.
Diba?
Muna ilang git ako, I'm very grateful sa ila ko. Bago gani, do kahapon lang ko nag-post no sa IG. Haba ko nga
yeah, I saw that.
right time, right place with the right people gid ang team sang Virgo season. Ikaw ba naman headed by nung Leo?
Yes,
flex
grabe,
ka din Leo art.
Grabe ka gidya Sir Leo, ikaw gidya the best. You're the best.
The ever genius, the ever talented.
Yes, like grabe gidya akong pag-admire kay Sir Leo with the films gidya, especially his works, it never flops.
Oo.
Diba?
I swear, biskan ano.
Kada film, grabe ang impact.
Oo, biskan bag-o lang ko nga naka-join sa duan. Ginghatagan ko nila experience nga never ko ibaylo. Biskan magkanano.
It's a core memory instant.
It's priceless.
Yes.
Wala may makapantay mo na. Na-pressure na kami. Oh, na-pressure na. Wala pa gani. Hindi pa sure kung ma-intra kami next year.
No, you should. Pressure.
Okay.
Okay, how is your experience as the director? You know, how yeah.
Wow.
And also, how is your experience during the shoot? You know, being the director of this film, how was it?
To be honest, wala gid siya gasulod sa akong mind nga ging saligan ko dahil Sir Leo. Kay before ko nagsulod sa Virgo season, I was very not confident when it comes to this
Is it your first time?
Yes, it is. Yes. I'm not very confident when it comes to this field. Kay hambal ko to. Gasulod pa lang ko but I don't directly direct people.
Okay.
Muna bala. Tapos, sangging ang balan ko ni Sir Leo nga you're one of the directors kay we see the potential in you, we see the strong Missy inside of this group. Sabi ko, okay, sige. And then during the shoot, wala man gid ano sa kon mind nga I am the director here, nga ako permi masunod, wala anything, wala. Mas ginahatag ko ang freedom sa mga may mas experience sa akon, pero wala man nila ginapabatsyag sa akon nga no nga hindi nga first time mo ni dapat pamati ka lang. No, they give me the freedom to direct the film, to direct the whole story gidya, and they give me the validation, the appreciation. Wala ko may mahambal. Naginahambal ko per me, I am with the right people, gidya.
Yes, you are.
Oh, yes, I am.
Yeah,
they contributed so much in this success, pati sa akong personal growth. Kay may mga gina-perceive ko sa to nga bagay nga wala ko gina-think as mistake bala. Pero right now, during the reflection bala sang amon bonding, during sang amon realization, during kung magupod-upod kami, I realized so many things, and laban-laban puros mga manami lang. Wala bala negative energy.
Yes. Like di ka gid ma-stress.
Oo, ga-resonate dabi ang yes sana all. Ga-resonate dabi ang ano bala ang mga character personally hindi na as an actor.
Yes.
Ang mga character sa akong team ga-resonate sa akon positively, which is wala lang mag-an lang akong feeling, and wala ko ka feel pressure, wala ko ka feel insecure nga bago lang ko nga director, so I should feel very insecure and shy. Wala, never gid ya.
Like ano ka na kumbaga you feel comfortable na that's
yes, and they gave me the right gidya, the right gahambal pa na si ng Angel and ng Leo nga director ka, you should be tell them what to do. Ako dabi kung may gina pitch sa akon nga idea ang akon team, which is for example ang amon nga assistant nga sa photography si Aaron, go lang gid kuya, and I'm very happy nga very enthusiastic sila kung may gina-pitch sila sa akin nga ideas. Even Gabriel kung may gina-suggest sa akin nga ideas for promotion, I'm very excited. Habi ko to, very lucky gid kuya kay very active sila and very creative, very hands-on sa Virgo season.
Tas the fact pag ang mga ideas nyo, no, each one of you is so creative.
Yes.
And the ideas coming up together.
Yes, yes.
Perfection.
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 Oh, guys.
Grabe. Actually, kung matanaw nyo gaya ang film, I think you will feel what I feel right now.
Dali.
Like,
so, abangan.
Abangan nyo. Basta magwa naman siya sa ibang mga festivals.
Yes, yes.
I hope so.
We hope so.
Yeah, muna ako magwa siya sa mga anong festival? Kung magwa siya sa mga festival, guys, I really recommend you to watch the film.
Yes.
It's worth watching. Ganyan. Hindi siya sang, like, mabakit na ano. Mabakagad
Ay, actually, may short, may short, ipagwa siya namon. Yes!
With?
Sa May 10, 6 p.m. to May 12.
Saan?
YouTube ni Sir Leo.
Pero you will delete after?
Yes.
Doon mo may pag-preview?
Oo.
Abangan nyo yun.
Yes, actually, kahapon or the other day, ging-upload ni Sir Leo ang clip atong ara sila sa TV, si Raf and Dio. Yeah, atong...
Sa TikTok?
Yeah.
Oh.
And it went viral.
I'm sorry, guys.
Oh my God, nahawa. Nakuya kay
It's contagious.
JM,
I'm so sorry.
yeah. Viral. Nag-viral.
Nag-viral.
So right now, guro, may ara na siya more than 80,000 views. Yes! Muna nga daw mapa-short streaming kami sa May 10 to May 12.
Like the whole film?
Yes! Yes!
Oh
Kaya a lot of people in the TikTok community are asking us about the film. So, nag-decide si Nang Leo, no, nga ipagwa na lang sa YouTube. Pero, short lang.
Sa mga nagapangayo link sa ila, sa mga nag-aabang sa film, this is your chance to watch.
Wow!
Don't miss it!
Wow, oo. Kaya do last na ninamon nga ipagwa siya on public. Kaya damo na kami, hopefully, no, damo na plano for other film fest.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited!
Yes.
Grabe, feel ko ganda mas malayo pag itang marating sa Virgo. Just like sa Iris.
Hopefully, gidya.
And ako gidya potential actually. You should pass that to some festivals. May ako gidya chance actually nga.
Okay, noted.
Yes.
Noted!
And let's support the Virgo, guys, please. Tami, promise. The best kini nga film, hindi ikaw mag-inulso.
Oh my God! Very, grabe na yung promotion, yeah?
Yes, muna ha? Abangan nyo. Don't miss it. And by the way, again, congratulations for the very successful film. Pero hindi pa ito na matapos. No? Kaya lately, I saw Missy achieving another achievement. Which is... What happened?
Okay, sa Model Congress, we have this thing called parliamentary procedure, which is we act as a representative of different region.
Yes,
So ako, I was able to represent the 2nd District of Negros Occidental. So gaa kami as congresswoman, congressman, and nabutang ko sa Labor and Employment Committee, which is for the Filipino workers. So, ga-craft kami bills and resolution, and then kung ara na sa plenary session ang tanan ng committee. So, we have Labor and Employment Committee, Foreign Affairs, Good Government and Public Accountability, Constitutional Amendment, and Transportation. So, 5 kabilog ang committee nag-pinsan-pinsan sa House of the Representatives.
Yes. And you won the best oh my gosh! And you won the best speaker, right?
Yes, Amon Committee.
Is it really your passion to speak?
I
or
think
like
so.
to do something like that?
I think so. Kay, taking my course right now, ano gidya? Mga ba ko gidya nga, before ko nag-enter college, I was so sure of what course I will take if ma-enter na gidman ko sa muna nga era na ko, no? Sa muna na ko nga era gani.
Era, oh yeah.
Sa muna na ko nga timeline, sa muna nga ano. And, wala na ko iban nga plans. aside sa gusto kong mag-EB Pol Sci or anything of course na related to law, nga pwede kong ma-pre-law so I could proceed after my 4th year in college sa law school.
Yeah.
And surprisingly, abi ko, basi gusto ko lang ni pero hindi ko siya magustuhan din. Pero surprisingly, diri gid ga-align akon nga.
So this is really like your forte?
Yes, diri gid ga-align akon nga interest, akon nga passion, akon nga liking. Muna wala na ko iba. Hindi ko makita akon self sa iban nga field dabe. So,
in films.
In films,
see?
yeah.
Is it ang filming, is it your passion also?
Writing.
Or na-discover mo lang siya?
Writing, it's really my dream. I'm an amateur writer.
Wow, na-pressure ako.
Rala naman yan. Pero but I never projected yung makita ko ako sa film. Pero may mga nakilala ko, di ba, kung may ma-meet ka nga tao, gaiba, gid imo nga gusto sa kabuhi. Wow,
yes.
That's very deep. Pero
guys.
Pero
nag-relapse. Joke.
Pero ang film, it's one of my daydream.
Which is na-fulfill mo.
Oo, na-fulfill siya through duag.
Grabe, and very unexpected yung mga naging result, no?
Yes,
you became so successful with that.
I swear. Muna, as nasubong, wala pag-isig sa ako niya. Woo!
Wow, grabe, first time and then, oh my God! Well deserved, Lydia. Grabe, no, yung mga passion, like, with that, ano yung mga ma-advise, especially you are good at writing, which is, I am bad with that.
No.
Super bad with writing. As in, super good, yeah. Especially with my handwriting, specifically.
Kalain man ako agi, guys.
But you're good still in writing. Which is ako, hindi ko gapon good in writing. I'm not good, like, putting some flavors with my...
Flavors
with my sentences. I'm not good with that. I really don't like writing and stuff. So, with your passion in writing and also with filming, what can you advise to those people who are not that good yet, but they are trying to, or they want to be good with it? Like, gusto nila nga, like, to be in your place too. So, what can you advise for them in order for them to achieve such things?
Well, for me, with my awards currently, for the past, I don't know, hindi man gidamo, pero do na-overwhelm ko nga, do wala pag-isingin sa kanya may mga awards.
Yeah.
Pero before I tasted some victory, damo pa ko insecurities sa akon self, and damo ko doubts nga feeling ko I'm not that good to reserve or to get an award or to reserve a validation from other people. So very insecure sa mga sa palibot ko kay I'm very happy with my friends achieving things. But I'm very insecure sa akon self nga I feel good but not that good to receive or to garner awards.
Really?
Yes! Muna ako nga, no matter how I try, no matter how I work hard for it, wala lang dayon, wala bala anything na good result. So, ara lang ko everything in between, kabalo diri, pero
really?
Yes! Tapos lately, na-realize ko nga, muna, gali wala pa, ginapatilaw sang universe sakon ang victory gid nga matawag, kay kung tilawan ko na siya subong, very overwhelming, very, hindi ko ma-explain ang feeling, pero it's not something i-brag mo, pero it's something about that will make you feel better about what you're doing in life. Kay awards, it's not merely it's not merely an awards, it's a recognition of your hard work. So for the people out there nga feeling nila for the people out there nga feeling nila wala pa kadto ilagi nahimo, lang, just try and never give up. Lang yun yung perseverance, kag dedication, and hard work. Kag hugod lang yun guys. I don't know. Ang hugod dabi sa ako niya, biskan hindi ka mayad, kung may dedication ka gidya, makuha mo gidya isa ka bagay. Like, wala gidya space sa akon ang procrastination ba lang ginatawag. I don't know. My friends, especially nung Leo, ng Angel, they know nga I hate procrastination and I hate things nga feeling ko ba lagi na desisyonan nga daan without thinking
twice. Twice?
Without thinking it twice. Kay, I don't know, I'm very organized ako.
Halatagin. Super.
Hindi, I'm very...
It's not a bad thing, ha? It's a good thing.
Pero gisado, na bala sa akon, kaya ako man gasuffer. I'm very organized.
Yes.
Gusto ko plansyado, tanan. Hindi ko gusto sang padaso-daso nga desisyon, balado man. So, naman.
Muna siya actually nami ang magiging organized ka with yourself.
And hugod, pero don't forget to rest. Kaya ako,
yes, muna, ganun din.
Hindi, toxic trait ko na nga, dayon-dayon lang.
Ay, hindi ka nagre-rest ba?
Oo, wala gapos and everything.
You should.
Gani, muna gani.
Sometimes too much work will stress
and
out.
muna ang isa ka factor nga man gaka-drain ko. And kalain siya kay, akon pagkahugod bala. Diretso-diretso, to the point na ma-drain ko, and then dugay man, akong pagka-drain, and then, hindi man siya dugay, stagnant ko for how many days, pero kung magbalik ko naman, toxic naman kay, grabe naman ko dahil mag-work, tuon, muna balado, muna nga siguro, ang gina-work ko sa akong self right now, nga i-balance lang. Life and balance lang gid kay kung muni lang gid kung work and study and lang gid wala ko di.
It's quite stressful man mo.
Yes, especially nga masakiton pa ko. Masakiton
and especially you're in college.
Yes,
right? Super stressful, especially third year na
the
worst year
very
ever.
Very pressured.
As in super good. Pero wala ka naman gina-discourage, hindi ako mag third year.
Yes,
Pero mo tagana, you should listen to Missy, you should follow that.
Wow.
And I think you won't know the result you won't know the result unless you try.
Yes.
Just like what happened
to
you.
Try.
It's a
just
film.
try.
Diba? Like you never expected to be that successful, but then you did. No, it's a matter of dedication, hard work. Kasi syempre kung isa ka malanda sa mga lazy nga mga people nga nag-expect something, you will not achieve anything if you're just laying down in your bed waiting for you to achieve. Achieve muta. Yeah, but it's a matter of dedication, hard work. And dapat maging committed kita sa ton nga for example sa mga schoolworks, we should be like that, no? Yeah, it's okay to rest, but let's not forget our responsibilities.
Yes. Well. And siguro, and never expect anything bala nga. Kumbaga, you work hard for it, dapat may mabaton ka pabalik.
Yes!
Dapat may ga-reciprocate. Dapat ga-reciprocate sang universe sa imo, no? It should not be like that. Kay, muna ko dati ginaisip ko bala sa universe nga, grabe mo, gani, ubra ko di sa muni nga man muna lang.
It should be paid off.
Oo, reklamador ako. Reklamador man ko Japon until now, pero doon naghagan bala nga sakon mindset subong do kung ano lang muna lang, and then kung para sa kon gid man ihatag sa universe, and then kung may gusto ko sige, I will work hard for it, pero I would never expect anything mabalik sa ako.
So thank you so much for accepting my invite, and congratulations with the film and your success, and we're so looking forward for other films also. And if there's any promotion you wanted to promote, especially the upcoming showing, or any plug-ins or shout-outs you want to go ahead?
Okay, sige guys, ma-promote lang ako kay ginataga na ko privilege. So to those who ask sa Virgo season, ipagwa siya namon sa May 10 to May 12 sa YouTube account of Sir Leo Art Boris. Pero short time lang, kay we have other plans for Virgo season. So reward na lang sa mga audience para ma-appreciate pagid nila ang Virgo season. So abangan na lang sa May 10 to 12 sa YouTube.
Excited na ako, guys. Let's all watch that. Thanks so much, Missy, and bye-bye.
Bye.
Yay!
Init